clear case of abuse of police power. Absolute a fit case where we say police raj, my lords. Police comes into the venue, my lords, and they see that all are playing poker. They ask, how is this game played? It is explained in front of the members. This is how it is played. They stop it. They seize 21,000 rupees. They take 19 mobile phones, entire poker kit, and they close the.
Why did you teach them?
After teaching them, my lords, problem
Why did
is
you, see, they learnt and they gave you.
we have it on CCTV footages. Yeah.
7980 ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು.
My lords, a clear case of abuse of police power. Absolute a fit case where we say police raj, my lords. My lords, what the petitioner is running is a poker place, my lords, poker club. He's
It is
been
held to be a skill ಅಲ್ವಾ?
skill.
Ah.
Both online poker has been held to be a game of skill, not of chance. Physical poker also has been held to be a game of skill and not of chance. There's no dispute on that. My lords, at the time when we were to open this recreational club in 2018, my lords, they would refuse license. We come before this court, and this court, my lords, at page 33, the order passed by this court is permitting us to carry on the activity with conditions. If my lords would notice page 35, where my lords, fortunately, one condition will come to my aid totally, where CCTV has to be put everywhere.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Complete CCTV. So this order which is passed, my lords, condition at page 35 may be noticed. Now, despite this, my lords, they would then come and start harassing us in the year 2022, my lords. We were running the club 2022 harassment. We file a contempt.
Yes, sir.
When, my lords, one aspect I may have to bring.
ನೀವು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆ sequence, because now, my lords, we have CCTV footage. Police comes into the venue, my lords, and they see that all are playing poker. They ask, how is this game played? It is explained in front of the members. This is how it is played. They stop it. They seize 21,000 rupees. They take 19 mobile phones, entire poker kit, and they close the.
Why did you
premises.
teach them?
After teaching them, my lords, problem
Why did
is
you, see, they learnt and they gave you.
we have it on CCTV footages.
ನೀವು
And with
ನಿಮಗೆ
this, my
ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು
lords,
poker.
they shut down the club, which has been running from 2018.
ಓ ಇದೇನಾ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಸೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
Howdo? 19 phones have seized, my lords. 21,000 taken. All my entire poker
Why
set.
did you seize
Club
that,
has come to a standstill.
seizure? What illegal activity was going on there?
First time ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ
Lord,
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಚ್ಚಿದೆ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Idralli antu judicial notice has to be taken, my lords, of how they've gone about it. I will point out, NCR is registered on the basis of the inspector giving complaint to sub-inspector. I have come to know, so this is my complaint. NCR gets registered. Same day you get 155(2) notice. Go to the club, ask them how it is played, poker played, and you do this activity.
You should not have learnt how to play.
Real
ಆಮೇಲೆ
harassment.
ನಾಳೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I don't know whether they're using my kit.
we are assured that everything is seized.
They could have, and with so many proceedings, my lords, and the club has been brought to a standstill. 500 members are there for that club playing this game.
First time ಬರ್ತದೆ. We'll ask the check what has happened. But 155 compliances happened in this case.
155 complaints is all
No
right.
problem. Crime number 155 of 2024 for offence punishable under section 79 and 80 of the Karnataka Police Act. Though these offences are non-cognizable, cognizance of the action of the police is what is required to be taken by this court in the case at hand. The learned senior counsel would explain and would submit that everything is recorded in the CCTV footage, that the police enter the premises, ask the ask the inmates of
Dealer, the person who deals.
ask the person who deals with poker to demonstrate to them as to how poker is played. And when it is demonstrated and taught how poker is played, the entire unit is seized and all mobile phones are taken away and the proceedings are initiated. On the ground that there is no CCTV in the unit and they were playing a game that is contrary to law. This court, in concerning the very same recreation society, has in writ petition 55798 of 2017 had held that license to play poker should be granted. Again, in which was following an earlier order in writ petition 39167, holding that the game of poker is a game of skill and not a game of chance or gambling. Therefore, the very registration of crime again appears to be an abuse of the process of the law by the police, albeit prima facie, till the learned additional SPP would justify his action by way of necessary documents or submissions. Till such time, all investigation in crime number 55 or 155, 155 or 2024 shall remain stayed.
Premises is kept under lock, my lords. Club is not
Open it,
running.
open it.
Adanaದ್ರು open ಮಾಡಿ, let the
In the light of the aforesaid circumstance of the issue being covered by 3 orders passed by the coordinate benches and no illegal activity being projected by the police, even in the impugned complaint, the premises that is now under lock and key shall be opened forthwith.
mobiles, 19 mobiles.
ಏನ್
of
ಅಲೋನೆ
all
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಮತ್ತೆ.
members, my lords. Members mobiles.
ಅವ್ರದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ
I don't
ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್
know, 19
Email
mobiles, 21,000 in cash they've seized.
I'll secure
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್
in-
ಇರ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್
Mobiles ಆದ್ರೂ members.
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Nice.
ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ವೇಷನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೈವಸಿ ಸರ್, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೆಮ್?
I'll secure, my lord, what transfer.
If the mobile phones of all the members without any rhyme or reason are seized by the police as is alleged, the police shall forthwith return the same, as there is no warrant of seizure against private persons who are members of the club. The return of the mobile phone shall be reported to the court by the next date of hearing.
Obliged.
ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Yes.
CCTV code.
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮೂರಿದೆ CCTV footage.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, I'll pass it on to Mr. Jagdish.
ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
Pen drive. Obliged.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್?
Week after next.
ವೀಕ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5th July. 5th July. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. How can you see
Fourth-
somebody's mobile
fourth
just like
July.
that?
4th July.
ಆಯ್ತು 4th July. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ.
I'll check, my lord, what.
This is police power. Misuse of police power.
I'll check.
During the hearing of a case involving a recreation club, the court came down heavily on the police over the manner in which the investigation was carried out. According to the petitioners, the police had registered a case, seized equipment, and even forced the club staff to demonstrate how poker was played in an attempt to strengthen the allegations against them. The court appeared particularly disturbed over the seizure of personal mobile phones belonging to private club members. The bench questioned how personal devices could be taken away without clear justification and observed that such actions could reflect a misuse of police powers. Taking note of these concerns, the court directed the authorities to return the seized mobile phones and ordered that a compliance report be placed before the court on the next date of hearing. The observations from the bench sent a strong message on the limits of investigative powers and the protection of individual rights.